Hey guys, I'm actually gonna record an intro this time because I know I keep forgetting and I almost forgot this time. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, I'm using a couple of palettes that I haven't used yet to do kind of a bronzy, smoky kind of look, and just keep watching. So I have here the Pure Soiree Diaries palette and it looks really pretty. I feel like I've dipped into this like once or twice. I mean, it's just like a very nice warm neutrals palette with all the shimmers are at the bottom here and they look really nice. I feel like I've used the mattes before, and the one thing about this palette that I would want is something with like a more orangey toned crease color probably. I think Stunner here, this color is, if it was like a touch warmer, it'd be like exactly what I want. So for that reason, I think I dip into other palettes mostly. And then I actually thought I would try this palette. I got it in a BoxyCharm, I believe, a while ago. It's by the brand Real Her. And so I just looked it up. So this is the Be Your Own kind of beauty palette. That's the name. And it says on their website 20% of the proceeds are donated to AAUW, which is a organization that promotes equity and education for women and girls. So I think it's really cool. I think it's really important to support businesses like that have a lot of integrity and stand for something. So here's the palette. It's like 9 shades. Almost all of them are shimmers. This is more of a satin finish, and then this is just like a plain black. And also the names of all the colors are really cool and empowering, and I really just like the whole brand. I'm gonna zoom in. I've already done my foundation, concealer, like primed my eyes and set them, and then my bronzer, but I'm gonna dive in with my eyes first. So let me zoom in really quick. Okay, so I think I'm gonna jump in to the Pure palette first, just to get something down here. I'm gonna start with Socialite, this color here for my crease, for my transition color. Hopefully it's not too loud. My radiator just decided to turn on, which is like super nice. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to have a sip of coffee. It's Saturday morning. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little hungover, but I felt like I should film something. It's cloudy today, so it's good light. So that went on nicely. I think I'm gonna go in with that shade Stunner, which is very, very pretty. I don't know if it's stunning, but it's pretty. Seems to be a bit of kickback on these shadows with minimal effort, but this one seems more pigmented than the first one. I have to go get my eyebrows done today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I don't even know who I am anymore. Like, they're so bad. It's horrible. Okay, so I'm gonna go in to the Real Her palette, and I'm gonna use this shade here, Courageous. I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush and just spritz it with some setting spray just to really get the most bang for my buck here, and then just put that over the lid. I'm not getting a ton of payoff with that, so I'm gonna go in with my finger. Just there we go. I don't know what's going on. I like did the same thing the other day. I don't know if my brush is dirty or what the fuck is going on, but I don't appreciate it, and my shader brush needs to start getting it together because this is its job. just gonna blend this out really quick. I'm gonna go dip back into the Pure palette and just deepen up the outer corner a little bit with this shade here called Epic. From what I remember, the one time I used this, it's pretty, I think it did. I'm gonna go in with a fluffier brush and kind of diffuse that a little bit more, lightly dipping into that palette, that same color we were just using. There we go. So it's looking, I think I want to add a little bit of this shade in the palette called Glitzy. This is in the Pure palette. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that to just like on top of our shimmer here, just to kind of add some more gold. Well, that's beautiful. Damn. Just gonna buff those edges really quick. I'm gonna do a smoky lash line. So I'm gonna go in with a little angled brush. Yeah, and then I'll start with Epic right here. And then I think I might go back and add black. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about this. I'm gonna go in with the black because that brown is not dark enough. And the black in the Real Her, it's called, the shade of black is called Smart. And I like that. I think that's nice. So now that I put that black wing on, I'm just gonna smoke it out with that brown that we laid down first. Just to make it not look so precise. I'm actually gonna bring up that brown to connect here as well. Then I'm gonna go back in with like just a fluffier brush and the color Stunner, which is like the orangey brown transition shade, and just buff it in here. Just really blending that out. I'm gonna dot on a little bit more glitz right there because I feel like I might have blended that out a little bit. Just right in the center. I'm gonna go in and use this Marc Jacobs eyeliner gel crayon. Alright, so for the lower, I'm gonna and I'm looking nuts, but we're gonna work on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a smaller fluffy brush and go in with that center shade again. The one I'm gonna use to blend with the crease. I'm gonna go with it. Just kind of blending out that lash line up into our shadow on top. Then I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and that brown, dark brown shadow here. Oof. That's what call it. I'll work on it. It's fine. We're moving on. Okay, and then just kind of like putting that down on the really lightly, mostly out here just to connect, and then just deepen that up. And then I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush and blend it out. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with a little more bronzer, just because I like to be bronzy, especially as it's getting more like winter. I want to be the most sun-kissed I possibly can, which makes no sense. Alright, so then I'm gonna go in. Oh, I use my butter bronzer, and then I'm gonna go in with the butter blush in Plum Rose and just do a light. And then go in with my Desi X Katie and Dose of Colors highlight in Fuego. And just hit it. I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on my mascara, and then I will zoom you in for the final eye look. I don't know how I always forget this. I just put my mascara on and I forgot to get an inner corner highlight or like put one on. So I'm gonna go into the Real Her and I'm gonna use the color Fine. I'm gonna go in with just like a flat shader brush and I'm just bringing that along the lower lash line as well. Just a little bit. My brow bone. Even though I have the worst brows in the world right now, but that's fine. So this is the final eye look. So that's everything. This is the final look. I just threw on like a little chapstick, like tinted chapstick. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. It was really fun. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe down below, and then I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.